Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a comma-separated value or a CSV file in your ChatGPT. To get started with the process, you first need to log in to ChatGPT using chatgpt.com in your browsers. After you've logged into your ChatGPT account, you can now see an attachment icon on the Message tab in the bottom of your screen. Simply click on the icon and then click on Upload from Computer option. You can now select and upload a CSV file of your choice to your ChatGPT. And that's it. You've successfully added a CSV file in your ChatGPT. The ChatGPT analyzes and summarizes what the CSV file contains. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for future updates. Thank you for watching.